Hello everyone. Here I am going to discuss about equation of straight line. This topic already you studied in standard 10. So certain points already you come across. All those 10s first of all we will discuss, and then only the new part it is coming. So first of all we will discuss what you have studied in the very beginning, that is coming in 2-3 exercises, that is 11.3, 11.4 and 11.5. These 3 exercises, it is just repetition of standard 10. So all those exercises together we will do. So first of all we are here to discuss about the slope of a line. It is also known as gradient, and it can be calculated in 2 ways. When angle is given, angle of a line is with the positive direction of x-axis is given, we can find out the slope like this. Our x-axis and the y-axis, origin, a line, this is the line. So this line we produce it is making an angle, with the positive direction of x-axis. If I take it as theta 1, slope of this line will be tan theta 1. You studied in standard 10 itself you studied. Another one more, here in this diagram, still one more line I am making it. Let it be, this is the line, this is another line. Here you see this angle, from the positive direction here you measure it. So this is theta 2, naturally the slope of this line will be tan theta 2. So this you studied already in standard 10, that is slope can be calculated in terms of angle, that is tan theta 1. Another thing you studied about 2-point form, that is when 2 points are given on a line 2 points are given. There are 2 points, that will be one is x1, y1, another is x2, y2. Then how to find out the slope? That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope. It can be calculated. So when 2 points are given, we can calculate slope. This is also you studied. And usually we use the notation for slope. The small letter m we will use for slope. Usual notation we use small letter m for slope. So instead of writing always slope, we can write m is equal to, m stands for slope. And one trigonometric result also we need here in this part. One trigonometric result that we will study in detail with this here. One trigonometric result, that is what is tan 90 plus theta. You studied 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta you studied. Okay, cot theta, or tan 90 plus theta, it will be minus cot theta. This result also you need in this topic. You will study about this in trigonometry in detailed way. So at present this result also you need. Tan 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So this is about the slope. Now the next point, that is angle between 2 lines. When 2 lines are given, this is also new for you. When 2 lines are given, see this is, let it be line number 1. Another line, let it be L2, this is another line. When 2 lines are given, we will be able to find out here 2 pairs of equal angles. See these 2 angles, we know these 2 angles are equal, vertically opposite angle. Even this is also will be equal, this angle and this angle will be equal, vertically opposite angle. Then there is a result to find out angle between 2 lines when slopes are given. There will be slope of first line is m1, slope of the second line I am taking m2. Then angle between the lines, I am marking it will be one of the angle, it will be theta. This angle we can calculate by a formula. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Usually whenever they say angle between 2 lines, we will go for acute angle. There is an acute angle as well as obtuse angle. So when the question comes find the angle between 2 lines, we will go for acute angle That is why we put here absolute value sign. That is, we will discuss about always acute angle. So tan theta is equal to, this is the formula for angle between two lines. When two lines are given, this way we can find out angle, that is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2, where m1 and m2 are the slopes of the line. So this is, that is angle between two lines. So these 2 points over, this is new for you. Now property of slopes, this is you studied in standard 10, property of slopes. When parallel lines given, when parallel lines are there, their slopes are equal. You studied if one line slope is m1, another line slope is m2, then their slopes are equal if the lines are parallel. See, if one line slope is m1, if it is a line parallel to this, so its slope is m2, then actually m1 is equal to m2. That is, two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. And another result you studied, when two lines are perpendicular, it will be m1 and m2 perpendicular, then product of their slope is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is minus 1. See, if two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is minus 1. And these lines should not be parallel to the axis. If these lines are parallel to the axis, this result is not applicable. See, if you look at this diagram, if these lines, see, coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, origin. So this is x-axis here, and suppose this is the situation I am taking it L1 and L2 parallel lines. L1 is here. It is parallel to x-axis. We know slope of x-axis is, that is tan 0, it will be 0. Slope, that is its slope is 0. Another line, this line, let it be here, perpendicular, L2. We know slope of y-axis is tan 90, that is 1 by 0. So its slope is 1 by 0. m2. Now if you see m1 into m2, here if you put m1 into m2 is what? 1 by 0 into 0. It is an indeterminate, 0 by 0, it is not minus 1. So that is why I said these lines, it cannot be, if it is parallel to the axis, if the lines are parallel to the axis, this m1 into m2 is minus 1 is not applicable. All other situation, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 if the lines are perpendicular. So this is the properties of slopes when the lines are parallel and perpendicular. This is also studied in standard 10. Now we will discuss about the different forms of equation of line. In that, the first one is slope intercept form. You studied in standard 10. Slope intercept form means a line's slope will be given and intercept is given. Intercept means y-intercept. X-axis, y-axis. Let it be, this is the line. This line slope is given, and y-intercept means this is where the line intersects the y-axis. Y-intercept usual notation is C. Means this point, actually this point will be 0, C. This is y-intercept and this is known as x-intercept, where it intersects the x-axis, that is x-intercept. So here we are dealing with only y-intercept. So when slope and y-intercept is given, what is the equation of line? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is also you studied in standard 10. Y is equal to mx plus c. M is the slope, c is the y-intercept. That is number 4. Then number 5 is slope point form. That is when slope and point it is given, what is the equation of line? Slope and point. Let it be this line, slope is m, and one point is given x1, y1. Then what will be its equation? That is you studied in standard 10, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of this line when slope and point is given. So here x and y are the variable always. and y1 and x1 and y1 is the point, m is the slope. This is the slope point form. And the last one, 2-point form. 2-point form was discussed in standard 10 itself. 2-point form means, suppose this from 2-point form it comes from this only. See, let it be here one point is given x2 y2. x2 y2. So if 2 points if we know, we can find out the slope by this method 2-point form, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope we can find out. Slope we find out, and in place of this slope we will put that. We will put this. That slope we put it. Naturally we will get the equation, that is y minus y1. This m replaced with the slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this 2-point form is actually the same as we can say slope point form. So there is no need of memorizing this. If you know this, naturally you can do this. So these are the things we will come across in 3 exercises. That is 11.3, 11.4 and 11.5. So here I will be discussing mainly few questions from 11.5. Since 11.3 and 11.4, it is very simple. You come across all such type of sums in standard 10 itself. Even 11.5 also, most of the sums you are done in standard 10 itself. So only few selected questions from 11.5 I will be doing it here. That is also, such type of sums also you are done, but still only just few selected questions from 11.5. The question is, first of all we will do 7 first of all. Find the equation of the straight line passing through origin and making an angle 120 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. If I draw diagram, it is passing through origin and it makes 120 degree with the positive direction. 120 degree means the line must be like this. It makes 120 degree with the positive direction. So origin is this, we know. This is our x-axis, y-axis. We have to find out the equation of the line L. So here angle we know 120 degree. So from that we can find out the slope first of all. That is slope of L. That is slope of the line. Slope of L, I can write it as tan 120. So tan 120. You studied all standard angles. It is 120 more than 90 degree. So I have given a result. So this we can split into that form, that is tan 90 plus 30. That is tan 90 plus theta. I have given a result. So tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta, that is minus cot 30. Now cot 30 is value, you have to know it. Cot 30 is root 3. Cot 30 is, so it is coming minus root 3. So we got the slope of the line and point we know. So equation we can write, therefore equation of L. I will use the formula slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 0, x1 also 0, slope is minus root 3 into x minus 0. Finally it will become y is equal to minus root 3x. Okay, go through the solution. This is new for you. That is why I selected this question, but this is already you studied. This is question number 7, first part. Go through the solution. Understand this part is new for you, but this is already you studied. Now another question, we will go to question number 22. All the sums are of standard 10 level. So question number 22 we will do next. Here the find the equation of a line whose slope is 3/2. A line whose slope is given 3/2, that is m is equal to 3/2, and which passes through a point P, this line passes through a point P, divides the line segment joining. This P divides the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 6, B 3 comma minus 4 in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. The ratio is given 2:1. We have to find out the equation of the line L. That is the question. We have to find out the equation of the line L. The ratio is given 2:1. We have to find out. So first of all, we can find out this point by using section formula. With the help of section formula, we can find out these coordinates. With the help of these line segments, I will apply section formula. So x is equal to, first of all, 2 into 3 mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So it is coming 4 by 3. Now similarly, y we have to find out. 2 into minus 4 minus 8 plus 6. Minus 8 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 1. So this become minus 2 by 3. So naturally we got the point. Point is minus 2 by, point is 4 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3. The point, if I write here, I am writing 4 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3. So point we know, slope we know, now we can write the equation. Therefore the equation of L, formula y minus y1, I am using that formula, y minus y1, so it is plus y minus y1 is equal to m into, m is 3 by 2 into x minus x1. Now simplification, 3y plus 2, 3 is LCM, here also 3 LCM, so 3 is cancelled. So here left over 3 by 2 into 3x minus 4. I taken 3 LCM, here 3 LCM, that 3 and this 3 cancelled. Now again one more step. 6y plus 4 is equal to 9x minus 12. So that is 9x minus 6y. This I am bringing here is equal to 16. Alright. This is the required equation. Alright, this is question number 22. This is similar type of sums you are done in standard 10 itself. Now another question. We will do question number 25. Question number 25. Find the equation of the bisector of angle A of triangle ABC. We have to find out angle bisector of triangle ABC. ABC is bisector of angle A. We have to find out angle bisector. We have to find out. It's the equation we have to find out angle bisector whose vertices are given. This is minus 2 comma 4. This is 5 comma 5. And this is 4 comma minus 2. We have to find out the equation of the angle bisector. Let it be AD. AD is the angle bisector. We have to find out the equation of AD. So angle bisector. So you studied in standard 10 one property from similarity. That is, angle bisector will divide opposite side in a ratio is same as the ratio connecting those two sides, include sides. See, this ratio you studied BD by DC. The ratio BD is to DC is same as AB by AC. That is the side made by that particular angle. So this ratio is equal. This property we need here. With the help of this property we can find out this ratio. If we know this ratio, we can write down the coordinates. If we know this coordinate, then we can find out the equation of the line. So first of all, I will find out AB. AB I can find out by distance formula. AC also I can find out by distance formula. So first of all, AB I am finding out. Distance formula. X2 minus x1. 5 minus minus 2, that is 5 plus 2, that is 7 square. Plus 5 minus 4, that is 1 square. So ultimately 49 plus 150, root 50. Root 50 is, we can say, 5 root. That is AB. Now AC also I am finding out. Distance formula. 4 minus minus 2, so 4 plus 2, 6 square. Minus 2 minus 4, minus 6 square. So this, if I simplify, this 36 plus 36, 72. 72 can be written as 6 root 2. 72 can root 72 is 36 into 2, so 6 root 2. So naturally the ratio between AB is to AC. AB is to AC is 5 root 2 is to 6 root 2, that is 5 is to 6. AB is to BC is 5 is to 6. Naturally BD is to, this is equal to, we can say this is equal to, by this result, BD is to DC. So the ratio we are getting 5 is to, alright, this BC 4 plus 2, 6 square, minus 2 minus 2, alright, 6 root 2. So the ratio is 5 is to 6. We got the ratio is 5 is to 6. Here 5 is to 6 is the ratio. BD is to DC. BD is to DC is 5 is to 6. Now we can write the coordinates of B. It will be x comma 1. X I can find out by section formula. X is equal to 5 into 4, 20 plus 6 into 5. 20 plus 30 divided by 5 plus 6, that is 11, is coming 50 divided by 11. Here again the next one, 5 into minus 2, that is for y. 5 into minus 2, that is minus 1. 5 minus 2 into 6 into 5, 30 divided by 5 plus 6. That is 20 divided by 11. So I got the point. That point x comma y I got 50 by 11 comma 20 by 11. So this point I got 50 by 11 comma 20 by 11. Now we can write down the equation of the angle bisector AD with help of 2 points. First of all, we will find slope. So first I found the ratio, then I applied section formula, I got the point. Now I am going to find out the equation of AD. First of all, slope of AD. Slope of AD, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 20 by 11. Minus 2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This minus by minus 2. Okay, this is, if I simplify, 44 minus 20, that is 24 by 11 cancel. Here 22, that is 72. If it cancels, it is 1 by 3. 24 will go 3 times. Yes, 1 by 3. Slope we got minus 1 by 3. Therefore, equation of AD, that is angle bisector, y minus y1. I am using this point. This is also, if you want, you can use it. But comparatively, this is simple point, so I am using this. Y minus 4 is equal to m into x minus x1. So it is coming plus 2. This, if you simplify, 3y minus x to this side plus x minus 12, here minus 2 plus 12, that is 10. This is the equation of angle bisector. 3y minus x plus x minus 12 minus 2 plus 12, 10. Alright. This is question number 25. So this is new for you, angle bisector. That property you have to know it, then only you will be able to do it. So we will stop here. Rest of the sums from the exercise 11.3, 11.4 and 11.5, you can do it as homework.